This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Hanley. Open floor plan with living room open to dining room. Huge screened-in porch plus a screened patio area.Venice aisle is the premier resident-owned over 55 mobile home park in Venice. Very active community with close to 1,000 homes. There is always something going on. Park gathering, first-rate shows on site. The community has 2 clubhouses, 2 tennis courts, a brand new fitness center, 2 heated pools, 2 hot tubs, saunas, putting greens, shuffleboard, bocce ball and much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Hanley at 941-468-9091.